Who has made tracks in the snow? Wait, it's Pupu, a little bunny hopping in the snow. Pupu feels a little bit lonely and wants to find some friends.